Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn about the theme location and structure. Okay, so let's start the tutorial. What are the two ways of installing the theme? What are the locations and what are the use cases? Two ways of installing the theme is you can use the direct one. Like you have the theme, zip theme, just go to the app design and your front end just paste the theme, finish. And it is specific to that Magento. That is, you can't reuse it to anyone, anywhere, right? Next, we have the composer based. Composer based, install the theme that is in the vendor folder, right? So if it is in vendor folder, then it is reusable and you can to override a theme anywhere in your app design front end. You can override it over here if it is in vendor folder. In direct method, you can't. You have whatever you have written, it is restrict to it, right? Next, we have what are the three, suppose if we take an example of composer, you can see that in the Magento default versions, default themes where they are stored, and it is vendor Magento theme frontend blank frontend Luma theme admin HTML backend, right? These are the default locations of the themes which Magento provides you. Okay, so what are the default themes in Magento? Front end blank Luma and admin HTML backend. So it is the this is the name blank, this is the area front end. Okay, and this is a location where it exists and it can be reusable. You can see that whenever we try to override of the Magento catalog, whatever we do, we create a new theme and just put up some elements from the vendor folder and just try to add something over here. So this is reusable if you install from the composer. So already it is installed from the composer and we can reuse it if it is third party or somewhere else. Okay, so what are the three elements to define a theme? To define a theme, first of all, we have area, okay, that is front end admin HTML. Package name, that is you can define your package name. Theme name, you can define. Let's go to the folders, how it is the structurized. Okay, when we go to my previous app code, sorry, here we have to go app design. We have two folders, admin HTML, front end. In front end we have SM, okay, or studio, and this, and after this is whole theme, whatever you want to override it, right? So this is done. Locations of the default themes it is done. Okay, so this is all about the theme location and the structure. And the next video we are going to learn about the how we are going to create a theme, what are the components that we are going to use, right? Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.